Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Habu jubab ya ka Jinkali balawanra da ka MLA jong ka Seng Congress na East Shillong Constituency ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo. Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad Kongkel Sangma ula jubab ba ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong ka Sorkar India kan bay tingka hado R.9 pulai kelur tingka nagabenta ban penthaba ya ka nanpolok bat shen ka tanat kam jungok kai kan khot tender nakabenta kanika kam.
So reply to star question 45A, yes sir. 45B, sir, sound and light show funded by Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. C, sir, administrative approval accorded for an amount of 2.73 crores. D, sir, notice inviting tenders to be floated by Directorate of Tourism.
Honorable Speaker, sir, to my knowledge and information, the entire bidding procedure completed on the 16th of July 2020. May I know the status of this bidding?
So that has been cancelled, sir.
So if it has been cancelled, do we understand that this 2.73 crore project is not happening anymore, sir?
No, sir. As I mentioned, it will be tendered again.
Honorable Speaker, sir, the Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation Limited. May I know the role of this entity in all of the, in the installation of this fountain in this location?
So the MIDFC is the nodal agency that is coordinating this entire tendering process, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I just wanted to inform the House that in previous years, there was a huge fountain project that was installed in Kandailat. Subsequently, there was another fountain installed in the Ward Lake. But these two fountains seem to have just disappeared. So my question is, in the operation and maintenance objective, how are we going to ensure that this huge investment of 2.73 crores will see a sustained presence in such investments?
Sir, I'll just go a bit into the background and the idea of this project. So like you must have seen that during the Independence Day, the Gateway of India is lit up with a laser light show. And in the Gateway of India in Mumbai, the entire history of the country and the independence struggle is shown and reflected on the Gateway of India with laser lights. Similarly, sir, in many locations you go around the world, you will see these different kind of laser light shows that take place throughout the country and throughout the world, sir. So this particular project was not just a fountain. The fountain was supposed to be the screen. So you would find actually the water coming up from the lake. So it will be, which would then act as a screen. And on that screen, laser lights would be reflected. And the entire story and the culture of Meghalaya and the different aspects of Meghalaya would be put in, which would be a show that would be for about 30 minutes. This was being done with the intention of upgrading the overall experience for the tourists and really upgrading the overall experience in Wards Lake. So this would be a program that would be done every evening. So the idea was that it's not just a fountain, it's a laser light show mixed with the cultural aspect of Meghalaya and to be able to promote tourism overall. Now, sir, after the implementation of this project, the government does intend to ensure that this runs in a proper manner. So therefore, whatever it takes, whether the government department can run it, whether the private sector can come into the picture, whether we can have other people coming in and running it, all options will be examined and we will see at the appropriate time. But first, we want to make sure that the implementation is done properly. So therefore, the tendering will first take place, then the implementation, And then we will work on to see how we could ensure that this is run in a sustainable manner, sir.
Last question, sir. Sir, 2.73 crores is a huge investment for one such attraction in Shillong City, whereas there are so many other aspects of tourism that are in need of immediate attention of the government. Having said that, may I request through you, sir, that we, the legislators, especially of Shillong City, may be given an opportunity to meet with the MIDFC to further plan tourist interventions in the city of Shillong.
So the point is noted, sir.